Students, hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn keywords with beautiful diagrams of chapter 7, that is getting to know plants. So first keyword is herbs. Plants with green and tender stems are called herbs. Next keyword is shrubs. Some plants develop branches near the base of the stem. The stem is hard but not very thick. Such plants are called shrubs. Next keyword is trees. Some plants are very tall and have hard and thick stems. The stems have branches in upper part, much above the ground. Such plants are called trees. Next keyword is climbers. Climbers are weak stamen plants that derive support from climbing up trees and other tall objects. Next keyword is creepers. Plants with weak stems that cannot stand upright but spread on the ground are called creepers. Next keyword is fibrous roots. All roots seem similar and these are called fibrous roots. Next keyword is taproot. The main root is called taproot. Next keyword is lateral roots. The smaller roots are called lateral roots. Next keyword is lamina. The broad green part of the leaf is called lamina. Next keyword is petiole. The part of leaf by which it is attached to the stem is called petiole. Next keyword is midrib. A prominent line in the middle of the leaf is called midrib. Next keyword is veins. A small lines present on a leaf are called its vein. Next keyword is parallel venation. The leaves of grass, you might have seen that veins are parallel to one another. This is parallel venation. Next keyword is reticulate venation. The design made by veins in a leaf is called leaf venation. If this design is net-like on both sides of the midrib, the venation is reticulate. Next keyword is petal. The prominent parts of the open flowers are the petals. Next keyword is sepal. A sepal is a part of flower of flowering plants. Usually, green sepals typically function as protection for the flowering bird and often as support for the petals when in bloom. Next keyword is stamen. The stamen is a male reproductive organ of a flower. It produces pollen. The stamen has two parts, anther and stalk. The stalk is also called a filament. Next keyword is pistil. The innermost part of the flower is called the pistil. It is the female reproductive part of the flower. The pistil consists of a swollen base, the ovary, which contains ovule, a style, and a stigma. Next keyword is ovule. Some small bead-like structures inside the ovary are called ovules. Next keyword is photosynthesis. Leaves prepare their food in the presence of sunlight and a green colored substance present in them. For this, they also use water and carbon dioxide. This process is called photosynthesis. Next and last keyword is transpiration. Water comes out of leaves in the form of vapor by a process called transpiration, or transpiration is the evaporation of water from plants. That's it. यदि आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक कर दीजिएगा और आगे के वीडियोस को देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा।